You ever have those days? It's just a long day. Could be work, could be family, could be all of it. Or you go to a restaurant and you have a good meal. Then you decide to have a nightcap. You see the desserts, the cakes, the pies. Perhaps you order something, and then you might ask for some coffee alongside. Well, that's what this is going to be. There's one ingredient that's currently still in the freezer, but we're going to create an Affogato Cocktail. This is utilizing a coffee liqueur, Mr. Black, which is 100% ethically sourced Arabica coffee beans, brewed and distilled in the same location. The company is based in Australia, really good stuff, and the good stuff in terms of cognac, at least that's what people say, Pierre Ferrand 1840. So let's get this going. First thing, you get a big old scoop of ice cream. Vanilla ice cream, to be exact. Though I think it could work with just about any, but I haven't tried that. Now, it says a scoop. Well, I'm going to go 2 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Into the large tin. In the short tin, go 1 ounce Mr. Black, 1 ounce of cognac, and 2 dashes of Angostura cocoa bitters. Truth be told, only 4. A little more cocoa. Now, introduce the cocktail to the ice cream. No need to add ice. We're going to shake this to completion, which means that all the ice cream melts. Okay? And while I'm shaking, I'm going to go ahead and get my glass. And I'll get an orange. What's the orange for? You'll find out. Okay. That's it. Now, let's strain this into the Nicanor. Now, I should have some chocolate from my Ghirardelli to shave over this. Unfortunately, I don't have that, but we are going to do an orange twist for this. First time doing an orange twist. Press the oil. Now I'm going to cut a little line into it. And present like so. Yep. The Affogato Cocktail. Now, before I take a drink, we'll talk about it. This drink is really made from wanting to have an affogato, which translates from Italian into drown, which is a very nice summer treat. And it's vanilla ice cream that you put coffee over, or in this case, coffee liqueur over. And it's just a nice, refreshing nightcap. This was developed by Greg at How to Drink. I'll put a link to his episode down below. Cheers. Well, I hope that you like this, and if you do, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. What cocktail do you want me to do next? You can find me on my personal YouTube channel, link down below, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. You can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_ink. And there will be behind the scenes videos. One actually went up a couple of weeks ago that is showing just how wrong some of these episodes can get. So, hopefully you will catch me there, and also possibly a live stream for the patrons at Give a Point. So, until next time, thank you for watching The Beginner's Bar.